It's been said that the American dream is slipping away. Mass perception is that home ownership has become unattainable because the costs are just too high. In this space, we believe the American dream is alive and well. The hope of home ownership is within reach. To transform mass perception, it requires education and truth. Equity leverages dreams and aspirations. Together, we can shed a light on the future of home ownership. Welcome to Your Affordable Home Show. I'm your host, Stephen Mitchell. Similar amenities to where I'm taking you today, but again, we have park and pool, so similar amenities. So this is Seven Springs, and I know what you're thinking. Stephen, why are you showing me big site-built homes? And well, the reason is this is catty corner, basically across the street from where we're going today. But these homes are pretty much mid $400,000 range and right around Knoxville, Tennessee. You can go across the street and get a home for low 100,000. So just saying, just making a point here. And I would argue across the street's got more amenities. Let's go check it out. Hello everybody, walking through Amherst Ridge today. This is a yes community. There are a combination of single section, multi-section, newer homes, older homes, all types of homes in here. This is a beautiful community. Let me show you around. Nice little gazebo out on the water. It's pretty cool. This right here is the main office for the community. And behind it is the community pool. All nice subdivisions have locked mailboxes. And here is the community pool. Obviously way too cold outside to be swimming right now, but it's a very nice in-ground pool. Hi there, just a short intermission. Just wanted to ask you this. Are you in the manufactured home sales industry? If you are, you might be thinking to yourself, you're short on time. You might be asking yourself, how do I get more qualified salespeople? You might be saying to yourself, I've got a lot of experienced salespeople, but they seem like they've fallen into bad habits. Whatever you're asking yourself, this is what I'll ask you. I'll ask you to go into the description on this video and book yourself a free consultation with Manufactured Home Sales Mastery. We're here to help and serve you. And what we do is we take your people, your salespeople, your community managers, whatever the case may be, and we help you turn them into professionals. So don't waste another moment. Go in the description below, book your free consultation, and let's get back to the show. So another cool thing about this community is they actually have a little park area. See over the way there, we've got, I'll zoom in, we got horseshoes. We've got a park grill. Got a couple tables out here if you wanted to throw a get together. And then we have a swing set area. Very cool. Then you go down the hill here, and there is the pickleball court. So, pretty cool. So you're noticing all these nice little ponds up front in this community. It's curious, you know, is fishing allowed? And it does, according to this sign, looks like it is allowed as long as you catch and release. So that answers that question. We're on the back side of this community here and also have a basketball court, so that's really cool as well. So this park has a lot of rolling hills. We are in Tennessee, Knoxville actually, so what I was saying earlier, there's a mix of homes in here. You see there's some older homes, there's some newer homes, there's double section homes, single section homes, newer homes. And as you can see right there, that is an in-ground utility box. So just like any modern subdivision, people want their in-ground utilities, and this community is no different. All the utilities are ran in-ground, so that's very nice. I think we got a good feel for Amherst Ridge. I plan on showing you a lot more of these communities. Again, you might have heard me say another word, and really that word is subdivision. This is no different than any other subdivision. You know, it's a community, it's filled with manufactured housing, prefab housing, but it's really a subdivision. It has all the modern conveniences you'd want, and it don't get much better than this as far as amenities. So hope you enjoyed this tour, and plan on bringing you many more.